she said, "Good night, God bless, love you, Mum," because they were about to put her to sleep into a coma. Yeah. And she rang everybody before she went to sleep. Yeah. But miss her. Thought I'd run out of tears. Some days are harder than others, but no, it's been cool. Everything's been a learning curve from day one.
But we just wanted a fluid day that people didn't have to book in to come. Their Gaia's mates can come and sit on the seat. Yesterday when it first came in, there were so many laughs, so many tears, but it's helping our kids process, and that's the main thing.